Real quick cold start of Stevie B Random Naive Steve's exhaust. That was a quick little startup of Stevie B's Honda. Sounds a lot better than mine. But we're gonna go. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with his exhaust. Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with his exhaust. We're gonna. Well, yeah, you know what? I'm not going to tell you. I'll just let you wait and see. But anyways, I'm sorry I haven't really made a whole lot of videos lately. I've just been real super busy with work and family and all kinds of stuff. Plus, I just haven't had the money lately to really buy any parts for the Audi. So I haven't really been able to get on part 5 for the build. I've got 2 clips for part 5. But it's at a standstill, and here comes a little Ricer Geo. It's at a standstill right now just because of the money issues, but you know, I get paid in 2 days, so I will be able to afford a little something. So just wait for that, definitely. So I'm gonna cut you here. We're gonna get to my house, and then we're gonna get the cameras all set back up in my driveway, and we'll do a quick little video of what we're going to do to it. I'm not going to really go into depth in the video of what we're doing just for the sake of time, but I'll catch you in a little bit. I know we did a video of this before, but it never made it to YouTube because my computer crashed on me, but I'll give you a little sneak peek before we finish it up. So, basically, we're gonna drive around town with the exhaust
all the way off,
completely off. It's just gonna be straight aftermarket stainless J-pipe.
Yep, he's gonna be straight up.
It's gonna be straight J-pipe, aftermarket too. It's a stainless. So this is gonna be fun.
It'll be loud.
Oh yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're going to finish this up, and I'll come back to you guys whenever we get it started up. Alright, so, there she is.
We're going to drive around town with no exhaust.
Yeah.
See what happens.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be loud.
It's going to be pretty loud.
It's going to sound like a NASCAR or something.
I'll come back to you guys whenever we get it down on the ground and start it up.
I don't know if we're really ready for this.
I don't know if, yeah. Okay, let me see your camera.
This is almost guaranteed getting pulled over and probably ticketed. This is gonna be oh.
All right.
I'm almost scared to do it because I know how ridiculous it is.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Oh god, here we go. Ready?
Yep. See what it sounds like pulling up the driveway? Just do it.
Alright, take my camera. Oh god. That's too loud, man.
It is too loud. Oh, it's getting quieter.
What happened?
Cold start.
Oh my god, that was a cold start, man. Jeez.
Alright, move it over into the grass. Just watch out for...
When I drop it in gear, it's gonna get louder.
Yeah, just watch out for all this. Just move it over.
Try and pull up over there.
Okay, so my mom can leave.
Oh my god.
Rough.
It rattles the center console.
It rattles everything.
It's.
Woo. I gotta be easy. Easy.
Extremely easy.
Easy. Oh.
Oh God, dude. Oh yeah, you weren't in it, dude. It's loud in here, even. It rattles your butt, dude. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Oh, this is almost worth turning around.
Oh my, I don't know.
I don't know.
It almost rattles the car apart. It's so loud. Like, oh my.
Oh.
What? That was only to 30 miles an hour.
Alright, we're gonna get pulled over.
Oh, you think?
Oh, no, I know.
Oh my, dude. Your mom probably.
Oh.
Oh!
Woo!
Oh my God!
Oh man! Oh, don't go this way.
I'm going straight to Union Valley. I'm
Oh,
going
okay.
straight, the shortest route to the.
Oh!
Shortest route to the back road. I'm waiting until we got no traffic so I can just ease into this. Oh!
Oh! Oh, everything's rattling.
Oh God! Whoa!
My God!
This is so worth it just because this is hilarious. This is hilariously loud. Like,
Oh!
I can only imagine how loud this is outside the car when we have to scream inside
I
the car.
know. Oh!
Everything is rattling.
Dude, your car's gonna fall apart. It's rattling so hard. I don't even want to imagine what the video looks like right now.
Wow. This is really, really bad.
This is loud. This is just straight up stupid.
Yeah, this is one of the worst ideas I think we've had.
Not to mention it's dark. I don't have a garage.
Oh my gosh. I'm not going to be any more obnoxious than I have to be right now.
You have no choice. Oh!
Oh my God, it is.
Everything's just.
This might be one of the worst ideas I think we've had, period, honestly. This might be up there.
Yeah, I think it is. I think this is absolutely the worst idea we have ever had.
I was going to go that way, but he's turning that way, so I'm going to go this way away from him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's just not right. Oh wow. Wow.
Just let it off. Sounds pretty cool.
Sounds like it's gasping for air.
Loss of power? How much loss of power is there?
A lot. That was full throttle.
Seriously?
There was no power. Yeah. That was. There's no power.
Shit!
Woo!
That laid me in the seat.
Oh wow! I'm sure the people in these houses are like, what the hell?
Wow.
I smell it now. Oof. Woof. Yeah, we gotta go put this back. We gotta go put
We had dicarbon monoxide
we gotta
poisoning.
go put the exhaust back on.
Yeah.
Not only that, but I'm done being a complete douche right now. Like,
That's nice.
those Charger headlights behind me, they look like it.
Kinda do.
Well.
This is just so
Oh shit. They're
You let off right at the wrong time, dude.
Shit.
the state boy.
Someone called it in because he went down this road looking for me. Oh,
It might be a state boy behind you too.
we gotta get to your neighborhood now.
I know.
No!
Oh shit! He turned around. He backed out.
I know.
Oh shit! Just say we went back to try to find your exhaust as they fell off.
God, son of a fudge. It's too loud, dude.
Neutral, neutral, neutral. Oh no, green light. Oh fuck.
Oh,
Shit.
fucking balls. Green arrow. He's gonna get the green arrow. I'm out of here. Ah, there he is! Ah!
Oh, go, go, go!
No, I'm not gonna stomp on it. Incognito for a minute. But that was in someone's driveway. He was turning around because he got the call. He probably heard us coming. I guarantee he heard.
Yeah, you could probably hear us from a mile away.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
Okay, we're gonna hurry up and get this back on here. So, no videoing, putting it back on. Sorry guys, we gotta go. If you like our videos, hit that like and subscribe button down below. It's free. Check out his channel. Links will be in the description. Stevie B Random and Naive Steve. Stevie B Random and Naive Steve. Ooh, your nipples are hard.
It's cold in here.
So hit that like and subscribe button down below. It's free. Click it. Click it, click it, click it, click it.
Clickety click 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 click.